Hey guys, I'm Mike. I just started my own business called Mike's Coastal Expeditions. I am a guided tour agency right here in Bonita Springs, Florida. Why I started this business? Well, I had 2 years of previous guiding experience and I just fell in love with the job and the profession. Growing up here in Southwest Florida, I've always had a passion for the water, and now I can turn my passion into a profession by taking people out and doing things that they have never done before, feel a little bit uncomfortable about doing, or just straight up teaching them new things that they don't really know. A lot of people that do this kind of thing are tourists, so I get to bring people down here to Southwest Florida and kind of open them up to what the natural wonders are here. What sets us apart from the other outfitters are Hobie Kayaks. We have two kinds here. Our singles are this one right in front of me. This is a Hobie Passport. And we also offer the Hobie Compass Duos as a two-seater or a tandem. All the kayaks we have come along with the pedal drives, even the tandems. Get much into detail on that later. First and foremost, everyone cares about stability and comfort. Our seats, even though this is a sit-on-top kayak, these seats are a little bit higher up than normal. Does not sacrifice the stability. This is a very stable vessel. Doesn't matter if you've never kayaked before and you got no balance. This is actually made for people to stand on. Hobies, if you didn't know, are advertised as fishing kayaks. Obviously, unless you schedule a private tour with me that includes fishing, we will not be doing any kind of fishing. So they need the stability to A, catch big fish, and B, be able to stand on these things. We come with all the Old Town jackets. That's our adult universal wear. They're not some cheap little orange thing you throw around your neck. These will actually save you. Each kayak comes equipped with these Mirage Pedal Drives. This is hands-free propulsion, so you just use your feet. Think of it as riding a bike. If you've never done something like this before, it's extremely easy. Right here, there is a knob. This is connected to a rudder. If you do not know what a rudder is, it is this thing right back here, and with that knob, you turn the rudder which way you want to go. So if you have the knob, you turn it left, you're turning left. If you turn it right, you're turning right. If you've never done something like this before, do not freak out. These have a very small angle, small turning angle. They turn extremely quick, which can kind of help you if you're going to crash into something. These drives here are extremely easy to use. If you need to kind of visualize it, you would move your feet just like a bike, not rocket science. If you were to hit ground or anything, very cool. These slide all the way up front. When they're like that, a little flap on the very bottom of the boat comes up and hits the bottom of the boat. So you don't have to worry about breaking the equipment if you run ground. If you're completely inexperienced, I've had inexperienced people on here before. They learn very quick. It doesn't matter how old you are. But for the singles, it does kind of matter. We do not allow anybody under the age of 13 to ride our singles. They have to be in a tandem, but they can still utilize these drives. 12s, and this is what really separates us from normal kayakers.
Go on an adventure with Mike's Coastal Expeditions to create memories that will last a lifetime. Go further, experience more, family owned, family values. We have it all. To book a private tour, please call me at 239-791-2638. God bless.